So for your personal habits, what we want to develop are just a few things. We want to implement a morning routine. This morning routine should be something that is specialized for you. What it should not include is checking your email. Now, I'm not telling you not to check your email in the morning. I don't want you to say, well, that guy in IT said I didn't have to check my emails in the morning, because we all have to do that. But don't make it the first thing that you do when you roll out of bed. Make a morning routine and be vigilant in protecting that time for yourself. Define a personal workspace. Dedicated space that you know yields better quality work is a worthwhile investment of not just your time, but I dare say your money as well. If you don't have a desk, invest in a desk. Andrew already spoke about how he's so excited about his mic. If you can't tell, I've already added one to my collection as well. Some of these pieces make you feel more comfortable in that dedicated space. Schedule everything. I've learned that simply having a window blocked off for everything on your schedule, I know will happen, is not only the right thing to do, but it also allows your coworkers to become respectful of your time. Something that we used to do a lot in the office is simply walk up to people and have conversations. Now it feels like barging in when you need to call somebody. If you have everything scheduled, it's very easy to be able to schedule things with people while you can look at their calendar. And lastly, for your personal habits, learn the power of no. While sometimes difficult to do, ensuring your plate isn't overrun guarantees you the bandwidth to complete existing tasks that you have. This ties heavily into our collaborative communication, as well as our ability to effectively communicate workloads with our team ensures that bottlenecks can quickly be addressed.